Alright, so we made it to the Florida RV show in Tampa. Yay! You see all these cars parked? Look at that. There's the family. Alright. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so we're gonna go inside. We'll do a quick sweep of what you see. I'll talk to you guys soon. So it's day two. Back at the show. We got through maybe like 30% of it yesterday.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was a lot of stuff going on, a lot of different rigs that we seen. So we're gonna see if we can get through the rest of it today.
Yep.
It should be a fun experience. We did get to see the ones that we liked, so which is a good thing. So now we're gonna check some other things out that we had on our list, and hopefully we'll be able to make a decision at some point, but it's really fun.
Yeah. All right, we'll check in with you guys later. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up our time at the Tampa RV show.
Yep, we got here about 10 o'clock and it is
5 till 3.
Yep, so almost 5 hours of work.
Yep, and it was excellent. It was every bit worth the trip. I think we got some excellent information. We figured out our top 1, 2, and 3. But definitely loving our number 1. So stay tuned for that. We've got a video about that coming up soon. If you haven't been before, definitely should check it out. Aaron, any parting words?
Definitely going to come next year. I think there's a couple of more that we'll try to go to. So
yeah,
we'll see how that goes.
Maybe we'll get to Hershey this year. I heard that one is the biggest.
Yes.
So can't wait. All right, we'll catch you guys.